Hello and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be doing a guided crystal meditation to help with building confidence and self-worth. We're often our very harshest critic, and we often spend a lot of time judging everything we do or everything that we want to do in our life. And it's so hard to build up a good self-confidence if we won't ever allow ourselves to shine. And there are so many things in life that we need some sort of confidence for. Whether it's leaving a comfortable situation, starting something new, or putting ourselves out there in the spotlight, for maybe a job interview, a speech, having a difficult conversation, moving forward in a new situation in life, or talking to that person that you've been interested in. All of these things require some kind of confidence, and we often put limitations on ourselves and tell us that we can't do it, that we're not qualified, that there are so many reasons in life that we put in front of ourselves to diminish our self-worth and our confidence. And so if there's a situation in life that is making you anxious, that's making you nervous, that you need some confidence for, then this is a wonderful meditation to sit with whenever you need a quick boost of confidence. And the more you sit with this meditation, the more it's going to boost your confidence in general. You don't need a gemstone to benefit from this meditation, but it is a crystal meditation, and it will help boost its effectiveness and help it work a little faster for you. And the gemstones that are helpful for this meditation today are Sunstone, Citrine, honey calcite, or tiger's eye. And today I'm going to be using honey calcite with this guided meditation. So if you do have one of these gemstones, then I recommend that you pause the video and go get your gemstone. Like I said, you don't need a gemstone to benefit from the meditation. And the only other thing that you'll need is a comfortable seat. So that could be on a cushion on the floor, in a chair, or directly on the ground outside. Just as long as you can stay alert and comfortable for about 10 minutes while we work through this meditation. So if you have your comfortable seat and you're ready to start, then let's begin. I invite you to close your eyes and start taking some slow, deep breaths. And bring your attention to what it feels like to breathe right now. And then pick up the gemstone that you've chosen and place that in your non-dominant hand. This is the receiving hand, and it will receive the energies of the gemstone during this guided meditation. And bringing your attention to your body and your heart and your mind, and just checking in with how you're feeling today, right now. your awareness to those parts on your body that are touching the cushion or the floor or the ground underneath you. And remembering that you are connected to the entire earth. You are supported by the entire mass of the earth, and you have access to all of its energy, and it will support and protect you during this guided meditation today. So bring to your mind the situation in your life that is creating nervousness and anxiety. Notice how this feels physically in your body. And then bring your attention to how this situation makes you feel emotionally. And notice what thoughts or judgments might be arising in your mind when you think about this scenario. What do you tell yourself? And then imagine a giant fire right in the middle of your stomach, behind your belly button, a giant fire. And whatever form that wants to take for you, a fireplace, a fire pit, campfire. Imagine the colors and the flames moving. And this fire burns away all of your criticisms, your fear, and your anxiety. And the smoke from the fire blows all of that away. It drifts away. So sit for a minute and imagine that fire burning away that anxiety. Every negative thought. All drifts away from you like smoke away from a fire. You are left free of personal limitations. You're left feeling fresh and free and open and clear of all expectations and limitations and barriers that you've been placing on yourself. This fire within allows your energy and your personality to shine. Imagine yourself aglow. You are perfect the way you are. You can do this. You have the ability, and you are going to succeed. Now allow the image of the fire to dissolve and just come back to your breathing. The bright, shining, confident energy remains as you breathe. And when you feel ready, then open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today for this guided meditation on building confidence. And I hope you found it useful. And I hope you feel ready to get out there and just tackle whatever it is that you've been wanting to do but have been holding yourself back on. And if you are new to this channel and you're really interested in learning how crystals and gemstones can benefit and support you in so many life situations, then make sure to hit subscribe so you won't miss a single gemstone video, because I talk about a different gemstone every single week. I offer guided meditations for many different life situations, and you can learn so much about how to improve your daily life. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you again soon. Thank you so much.